What time do you wake up?
At 6 a.m.
Do you wake up easily?
No, I need an alarm.
What's the first thing you do?
I check my phone.
Do you exercise in the morning?
No, I'm too tired.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, every morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I need coffee.
How long does breakfast take?
About 20 minutes.
What time do you leave home?
At 8 a.m.
Are you usually on time?
Yes, almost always.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
How long is your commute?
It's about 30 minutes.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Is there a bus stop near your house?
Yes, it's 5 minutes away.
How much is a bus ticket?
It's $2.50.
Do you have a monthly pass?
Yes, I buy a monthly pass.
Is the bus always on time?
No, sometimes it's late.
Do you ever walk to work?
Yes, when the weather is nice.
Do you ride a bicycle?
No, but I want to learn.
Is traffic bad in your city?
Yes, especially in the morning.
What time does your work start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
Where do you work?
I work in an office downtown.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
How many hours do you work per day?
I work 8 hours.
Do you have a lunch break?
Yes, I have 1 hour for lunch.
Where do you eat lunch?
I ate in the office cafeteria.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Sometimes, but usually I buy it.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I work Monday to Friday.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 4 p.m.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook almost every day.
What do you usually cook?
I usually cook pasta or chicken.
How often do you eat out?
About twice a week.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I like the Italian restaurant downtown.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, breakfast is important to me.
What do you have for dinner?
I usually have rice and vegetables.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, I eat meat.
Do you drink alcohol?
Only occasionally.
How often do you go shopping?
Once a week.
Where do you buy groceries?
At the supermarket near my house.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I always make a list.
Do you prefer shopping online or in stores?
I prefer shopping in stores.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Milk, bread, fruits, and vegetables.
Do you use coupons?
Sometimes when I have them.
How much do you spend on groceries per week?
About $150.
Do you buy organic food?
Sometimes, but it's expensive.
What's your favorite store?
I like Target.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, but I don't do it often.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have 3 siblings.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
How often do you see your family?
Every day, because we live together.
Do you have children?
No, not yet.
Are you married?
Yes, I've been married for 3 years.
Do your parents live nearby?
Yes, they live in the same city.
What does your father do?
He's a doctor.
What does your mother do?
She's a teacher.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books and watch movies.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I go to the gym and run.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
What's your favorite sport?
I love soccer.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, especially football games.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock music.
Do you go to concerts?
Yes, when my favorite bands come to town.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and spend time with friends.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, almost every evening.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love comedy shows.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook.
How much time do you spend on your phone?
About 2 hours a day.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play on weekends.
What's your favorite movie?
I love action movies.
Do you go to the movies often?
Once or twice a month.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read before bed.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery novels.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have several close friends.
How often do you see your friends?
Usually on weekends.
What do you do with your friends?
We go to cafes and watch movies.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, we've been friends since childhood.
Where did you meet your best friend?
We met in elementary school.
Do you go to parties?
Sometimes, but not very often.
Do you prefer going out or staying home?
I prefer staying home.
Are you an introvert or extrovert?
I'm more of an introvert.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, but I'm a little shy.
How do you make new friends?
Through work and hobbies.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment downtown.
Do you rent or own your home?
I rent an apartment.
How many rooms does your home have?
It has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with a roommate.
How long have you lived there?
For 2 years.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's quiet and safe.
Is your home near public transportation?
Yes, the bus stop is very close.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, a small one.
Is your rent expensive?
It's reasonable for the area.
Would you like to move?
Maybe in the future to a bigger place.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Do you take naps?
Sometimes on weekends.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 8 p.m.
Do you watch the news?
Yes, every evening.
What do you do before bed?
I read or listen to music.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around 11 p.m.
Do you set an alarm?
Yes, every night.
Are you a morning person or night person?
I'm a night person.
Do you drink water throughout the day?
Yes, I try to drink a lot.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, I take vitamin C.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like hot weather?
Not really. I prefer cool weather.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
Does it rain a lot where you live?
Yes, especially in winter.
Do you have snow in winter?
Yes, we have snow every year.
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay home and read.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, every morning.
What's the temperature today?
It's about 35 degrees.
Do you like summer?
Yes, because of vacation.
What's the weather like in your country?
It varies by season.
How do you feel today?
I feel great, thank you.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, 3 times a week.
Do you go to the doctor often?
Only for annual checkups.
Do you take any medication?
No, I'm healthy.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 8 hours.
Do you have allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to pollen.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, for reading.
Do you get sick often?
No, maybe once a year.
What do you do when you're sick?
I rest and drink lots of water.
Do you have health insurance?
Yes, through my employer.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have an iPhone.
What do you use your phone for?
For calls, messages, and social media.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, a laptop.
Do you use the internet every day?
Yes, for work and entertainment.
What's your favorite app?
I like Instagram.
Do you shop online?
Yes, quite often.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch tutorials and music videos.
Do you play games on your phone?
Sometimes when I'm bored.
Do you use email?
Yes, for work mostly.
Do you have Wi-Fi at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work full-time.